Hey guys, Randy from Bellissimo Moto here, and I've got something brand new from Alpinestars. This is the Supertech R10 Martinator helmet, and it's time we do an unboxing. I have not pre-gamed or prepped. You're seeing this with me. Ah, that's your pinlock visor. Alright, wondered why that felt heavy. Nice bag. Now, naturally, I pulled out a size large because I'm a size large, and we're going to keep this one out on display in case, ooh, gorgeous already, in case anybody wants to come and try it on. Now, what do you notice right away? Yes, the bag is beautiful. Yes, the helmet is very well packaged with yet another protective enclosure. Then you see you've got the visor. This is going to be your dark smoke. Dark tinted visor. This is the rear spoiler. Again, beautifully well protected. Some assembly required with your Alpinestars helmet. Yes, yes. Won't need that anymore. What else do we have? All right, just one helmet to go. Ooh. All right, everybody. Here she is, the Martinator. Yes, look at that. Jorge Martin, a beautiful number 89. This is the world champion, the 2024 world champion MotoGP racer's helmet. At least his replica. Beautiful. All that gorgeous real carbon fiber. The purple, the little metallic and the blue. The varying gradients of the blue. The details on this helmet are just really, really nice. I like it. I actually didn't think I was going to like it that much, and I was wrong. I like it quite a bit. This is a beautiful helmet. If you're in the Las Vegas area, come check it out. Come try it on. If you're not, well, too bad. Jump on our website, order it today. We'll ship it to you. If the sizing's not quite right, send it back. We will swap it out. But this is a beautiful helmet. Pretty lightweight. Once again, I love that carbon fiber construction. And check it out. You can see the arrow wings on the sides of this helmet. They remind me of the wings on the side of a Ducati 999 from way back in 2003. But, you know, they have a similar purpose, and apparently they work. So my parts manager, Lyle, has one of these helmets. He loves it. If you're looking for a new helmet, if your helmet is old, well, you should definitely consider this. These are limited. We got 10 of them. All right, guys, check it out. We got the tinted visor on, and it looks even better. This helmet was beautiful before, but, you know, the dark visor is definitely the way to go. If you were wondering what it would look like, well, now you know. All right. As of right now, we have 10. Let's see how many we have, I don't know, tomorrow.